Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Omaya and I would love for you guys to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video to this channel. So today's video has been highly requested ever since I started my YouTube channel. And to be honest, at first I didn't see the need to show how I wash my hijabs or how I store my hijabs because I felt like it was common sense, especially for us hijabis. But as the years went by and I started collecting more and more hijabs, it became so hard to keep up with all the hijabs that I own and washing them and storing them. So I've done something recently that I wanted to share with you guys. This will be super beneficial for girls who wear hijab or just starting to wear the hijab. My number one advice would be to declutter. It sounds like common sense, right? But as you become hijabi, you'll notice that a lot of your friends and family members will gift you hijabs, and you yourself will start buying hijabs, every single color, every single style, and every single fabric. And then you are left with many hijabs which you may not wear because it's probably not your style, not something that you like anymore. So you start putting them all in drawers and you forget you have them and it's just taking so much space. So my advice would be, out of sight, out of mind. If you're not wearing these hijabs, if you do not see yourself wearing them in the next week or in the next month, give them away. Like, give them away to a friend or your local mosque. I mean, someone else would be so pleased with the hijab that you're no longer wearing anymore. The reason why I'm saying this is because my organization has become so efficient ever since I gave away all the hijabs that I no longer use. And hopefully throughout this video, you will find some organization methods that will work for you as they have worked for me. Let's just get started on how I clean my hijabs. What I use to clean my hijabs at home is the regular washer and sometimes dryer. I don't always use my dryer for hijabs just because I noticed that it shrinks them. Not all of them, really just comes down to the quality of the hijab. Sometimes if it's made out of like really cheap and bad quality, if you put it into the dryer, shrink and ruin your hijab. So if you do know that you have a cheap hijab that you just love so much, like I tend to have a few that I have that are super cheap, but it just looks so good. I don't even know how that makes sense. So instead of putting them in the dryer, I just hang it on a rack and let it dry all by itself. Okay, so let's just move on to the product that I use to clean my hijab. Okay, this product that I'm about to show you, I'm so excited because it works so great, and I found about it recently because I've made lifestyle changes where I no longer use toxic ingredients in my household. So like cleaning products, shampoo, hand soaps, dishwasher, laundry detergent, laundry softener. I mean, I have changed almost everything in my house to be more plant-based, non-toxic, no parabens. I mean, there's just, if you look into it, there's just a lot of bad chemicals in our everyday cleaning products. And also products that we use in our body, like hand soap, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Anyways, since I've made this life change, I have now resourced to healthier, non-toxic ingredients. And in doing my research for my laundry specifically, I have found this product that works like a charm. It's so amazing, and I just can't wait to share it with you guys. It is called Defunkify. And this is a laundry stain remover. It's eco-friendly. This works great for activewear, dress shirts, pants, work clothing, linens, delicates, cloth diapers, baby clothes. And it removes tough stains like grease and oil, blood, mud and grass, wine and juice, cosmetics and lipstick, tomato sauce, baby food, poo and pee. So the instruction says to shake well, spray until thoroughly wet, wait 5 to 30 minutes to give enzymes additional time to work, then wash as normal. So to be honest, if I am in a hurry and I need to wash my clothes real quick, what I'll do is spray this and wait 5 to 10 minutes. That's like on a regular. But if I am at home and it's like cleaning day and I'm really about it, then I will leave this on my clothes for 30 minutes. And let me tell you this, I have noticed that ever since I wait longer, like the 30 minutes, the stain it's gone. Like there's no stain. But if I do wait 5 to 10 minutes, I will see a little bit of a shadow after washing my clothes. Like I will see, like there's still something there that I need to wash again. So like I said, if you do have the time, just spray this on the area where there's a stain, leave it on for 30 minutes and go ahead and start washing your clothes. I'm going to show you guys how I apply this product and also the detergent and softener that I use for my clothes.
Salam girl. So first I start off with laying a towel on the ground, and then you see here my dirty ass hijab. I put it, see that little stain? We spray it, and then we spray again. All my hijabs are very dirty. I like to sweat a lot, so some of them... Okay, Maya, stop laughing. All right, so anyways, as you can see here, I'm spraying the edges of the hijab. That's the part that gets the dirties because of the oil in the skin as well as the makeup. So what I like to do with all my hijabs is I spray it here for like 30 minutes and let it sit until I wash it. And this one right here, as you can see, it looks just like the other hijab. I just like to stick to the same color, but I spray it and spray this stand right here twice, spray the edges. There you go. Okay, we'll give it 2, 3. So this is the basket I like to use for my hijabs. And honestly, I like to wash my hijabs separately. I don't mix them with other clothes just because, you know, I don't want the color or anything to change, even though they all look alike. Hot hijab here, shout out to them. As you can see, this is the method one. This is the new stuff we bought. It's a little bit on the pricier end, but it's healthier. It's we got some other good stuff. Anyways, we put it in here for the detergent. And the one that looks like orange juice here is the fabric softener. And we put it, and then make sure, girls, when you put the hijabs, you put them just like this. Like, yeah, a little bit okay, go. There we go. Power it on, and then you're gonna go to delicates, okay? Okay, Omaya, we got it. The delicates, and then cool. Make sure it's cool water and low. You don't want it to be on hot water. I don't even know what's gonna matter. But anyways, get them out. Look how they look. They look really nice, and I believe they're stain free. Just take my word for it. This product works. Yeah, as you can see, all the colors here. I don't know why I only stick to the same color.
So as I'm letting my hijabs dry, I wanted to move on to how I organize my hijabs. I have 2 ways that I found that works amazing for me. As I mentioned earlier in this video, my organization method only works because I got rid of 75% of the hijabs that I no longer use. It's just so much easier to organize them in a way that I can still remember that I have them, that I own them. So method number 1, it's one that I've used for a very long time. I would say since I started wearing the hijab. My friends did advise me to buy this hanger that saves so much space. These are the hangers that my friends first advised me to buy. So in this hanger, I have all of my jersey hijabs. I look like I'm struggling because I really am. These are just so heavy when you stack all your hijabs. So this is a 4-bar velvet non-slip hanger. And on the first hanger, I have the chiffon hijabs that I don't wear as often, but I do wear them like occasionally, depending on the dress that I'm wearing or the outfit that I'm wearing. I will like occasionally wear these, but they're not my everyday hijabs. That's why I keep them separately. And right here we have, woo, these are so heavy. And right here we have my jersey hijabs. Now these are the hijabs that I wear when I work out or when I'm doing errands, I'm shopping. I like to keep them separately. This is also a 4-bar, but there's 1 row that I'm not utilizing at the moment. But yes, this is my first method of organizing the hijabs that I don't wear on a regular basis, but I do still occasionally wear them. And I store them in my closet, and I will leave the link below so you guys can check it out if you want to give it a try. Alright, so moving on to my next organization method for my hijabs is using this super cool ladder that's actually meant for your blankets, to put your blankets on. But I found a better way for my hijabs to be displayed, and this has worked so great for me. I actually keep it in this room, my dressing room slash filming room, because this is the room where I actually put outfits together for Instagram, for lookbooks, for my YouTube channel. So it just reminds me of every color hijab that I have. Now this is it's a 5-row ladder. The only reason I don't use the last 2 rows is because it's not too long. I just wish it was a little bit longer. That way I can display the rest of my chiffon hijabs. I will also link this ladder down below just in case you want to check it out. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and also found something beneficial that will work for you to store your hijabs, to organize and clean your hijabs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram where I post daily videos and pictures, and I would love to see you guys on there. Let me know what other videos you would like for me to do next time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and until next time,